Your most powerful skill is your ability to adapt. So adapt every situation to your excitement. Every situation, adapt that to your excitement rather than diminishing your excitement to meet the situation. Because every time you lessen yourself, I don't know where she is. Every time you lessen yourself to meet an imagined expectation you have of the other person's idea of you, you blame them and hold them accountable for doing the job you gave them. Live deliberately. Subscribe. Click the thank you thumb. Namaste.